Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the second concept of central tendency. Okay. In measuring a central tendency we have three methods, isn't it? The first one is arithmetic mean, what we have discussed in the previous. We done the exercise questions also there. And the second one is median. Okay. Median. It is represented by the letter M. The middle most value among all the observations arranged in an order is called median. Okay ma, this is for a raw data, or for an ungrouped data. So the middle most value among all the observations arranged in an order. In an order means it must be arranged either in ascending order or in descending order. Is it clear? So it must be arranged either in ascending or in descending order, right? So what steps do we follow here to find the median? The first step, write given observations. Okay, right. Next one, arrange the observations in ascending or descending order. And the third step is find n, the number of observations. And the fourth one, if n is odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation in arranged data. That means we are arranging the data in ascending or descending order, isn't it? So this data is taken here. In that one you have to take the n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay? Or if n is even, then median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation in arranged data whole by 2. So you need to find the median basing these steps. Okay, median means the middle most value among all the observations arranged in an order is called median. And write the given observations, arrange the observations in ascending or descending order, then find the value of n and find this median using this one. Okay, Nana? Right. Now we take an example. So shall I have the board? Right, thank you. So example, find the median of the following observations. Example 1, find median of following observations. Okay, Nana? A 3, 9, 7, 4, 2. Observations are given in this manner. So what do you do first of all, tell me? Right, first step is write given observations. Right, very good. Given observations 3, 9, 7, 4, 2. Okay, now what is the second step? Arrange the observations in ascending order. Okay, ascending order. So what do you write? 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Now what to find? The third step is find n, the number of observations. So n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What is 5? Is an even number or an odd number? Very good, Nana, very good. It is an odd number. Therefore, median m is equal to n plus 1 by tooth observation, where you have to see that one in the ascending order. Okay, right. Now what is n here? 5. So 5 plus 1 by tooth observation. What is 5 plus 1? 6. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3, isn't it? So we are getting the third observation as our median, Nana. Okay, right, very good. So m is equal to third observation in arranged data. So m is equal to, what is the third observation here? 4. Okay, so m is equal to 4. This is what called as the middlemost observation. See, from the last two and the first two you have taken away the values. Who is the middle in there? 4. So that is the middlemost value of the given observations. Okay, right. If we take another example being 3, 7, minus 2, 11, 8, 1. So I gave the number of observations here. Okay, so how do you find the median? You write given observations is equal to 3, 7, minus 2, 11, 8, 1. Now you are going to write ascending order. Very good. If you write descending order also, you will get the same answer. Okay, Nana? Right. Now take them. Minus 2, next 1, 3, 7, 8, 11. How many observations do you have there? So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations. It is an even number. Very good. It is an even number. Therefore, median. Tell me the formula for median. When n is even. Very good, Amma, very good. N by tooth observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole by 2. Very good, Amma. What is n here? 6. So you write 6 by tooth observation plus 6 by 2 plus 1th observation whole by 2. Okay. Now tell me what is 6 by 2? That is 3. Third observation. Very good, very good. Third observation, and the another one is fourth observation. Very nice, Nana. Very nice. So m is equal to third observation plus fourth observation whole by 2. So m is equal to, in the ascending order, what is the third observation? 3. What is the fourth observation? 7. Now add both of them. 3 plus 7 by 2, which is 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Therefore median is 5. Okay. So this is the method of finding median for an ungrouped data, or you call it as raw data. We will learn the remaining in the next video. Bye.